So I know exactly why you're all here right now. Fetty, I need help. I don't know how to find the KSP. Well, it's okay because the professor is in the building. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do, the first thing you do before anything, you have to figure out what the heck you're dealing with. If you don't know what kind of chemical reaction you got going on, how are you gonna find the KSP if you don't know the chemical reaction? So this is what we've chosen today. Today we have chosen cerium iodate as our chemical reaction. I think I pronounced it right.
Cerium iodate.
Hell yeah. So after you've chosen cerium iodate, what you want to do is you want to find the after you choose your compound, like I chose cerium iodate, you want to figure out your grams per mole, because if you don't know your grams per mole, then there's no point in even taking chem. So for this right here, we got 839.73 grams per mole. That's like what it was. Don't mind step 2, we ain't there yet. Now the second step, you're gonna want to find out how many moles of the cerium iodate or whatever your chemical formulation is. And you might not even know it now, so you're gonna be like, why? But you're gonna see at the end. So just sit tight and listen to me, because I'm your teacher today. Also, I forgot to mention, your question, the only way you should be watching this video is if your question gives you something like how many grams per 100 milliliters or something in that atmosphere. If it doesn't, bro, just, I don't know. But anyways, what you gonna do, obviously, you got the 1.5 times 10 to the minus 2, which is here. So you got that over 100 milliliters. Boom. That's the first part. Now you're gonna multiply that by 1 mole over the 839, which is the molecular weight of the cerium iodate. So boom, that's the second part. Third part, you never, and I mean ever, you never, ever want to ever do some stuff in milliliters. Boys go to liters. So you take that thing out of milliliters and you put it in liters, and then you multiply all that on your nice little scientific calculator, and you get this. Boom. Now, did you need to find this for the chemical equation? No, but just wait, just be patient. This is the chemical equation, by the way. This was pretty easy. You just take this bitch apart. I can't be cursing, bro. I go to a Christian college. You take this apart, and the 4 that goes here, that goes in front, boom, boom. You should notice by now this is basic. And I didn't mean the equation's basic. I meant, bro, my nose look mad crusty right here, but I promise it's not crusty. Like, this is basic knowledge. All right, now the second thing you want to do is you want to write an equation for the KSP. And that's like the easiest step out of all of this. So this is we're going to glide through this one really quick. So boom, you got this little baby right here. Oh, don't look at that yet. We're not there. You got this right here. Boom, boom, boom. Again, you're just splitting it. It's the same thing. This is your chemical equation. Now, all you're doing is putting KSP equals, and you putting little parentheses, little brackets around the little things over here. Because the KSP is this. This is the KSP, bro. So this, you'll hear me, just hear me. This is the KSP. So KSP goes here. Boom, 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 boom. The reason the 4 is out here, you bring this thing to the 4th power, bro. It's not times 4. So it's the IO3 minus, and the 4 goes out here to be a power. Now this is where everything gets fun. This is where I start to hate chemistry a little bit, because this is where the ice table comes in. Everyone's favorite thing in chemistry is an ice table, isn't it? So boom, 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 boom. The zeros go here. And anytime, y'all gotta remember, bro, anytime it's a 0, it's plus x. This side is the minus x. Every time it's a 0, bro, it's a plus x. So if the 0's over here, then it's plus x, and it's minus over here. But the 0's are over here, so it's plus x. The reason this is 4x is because of this thing right here, this little baby. So boom, 4x. Now, the equation after the initial change is added up. Boom, x. How'd I get 1.79? Oh, look how it all comes together. So look, the 1.79, boom, that's x. So that's x. And then right here, how'd I get 7.16 times 10 to the minus 4? It's a 4x because of this right here. So boom, you get this, boom, 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 boom. KSP equals, like I said, this is the equation from right here. You're just adding in, instead of putting these, you're putting in the x values. So what you do, KSP equals 1.79 times 10 to the minus 4, which is Ce4 plus. I don't even know what chemical that is, so don't do too much. This right here, 7.16 times 10 to the minus 4. Boom goes here, boom. But you got to remember, boom, 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 boom. When you look at this equation up here, boom, boom, the 4, it was to the power of 4. So the power of 4 goes here. Then you multiply all that out, and you get a KSP of 4.704 times 10 to the minus 17. So was that easy? Yeah. Are your questions probably going to be harder on the test? Yeah. Did I really teach you why the things were going on? No, I kind of just went through it. But you got to understand, I don't understand chemistry.